Imagine navigating the World Wide Web, but without the ability to see the screen. How would you read your emails, shop online, or catch up on the day's news? This is the reality for millions of internet users worldwide who rely on screen readers to interact with digital content. But what is a screen reader, and why is it a critical component of web accessibility? A screen reader is a form of assistive technology that renders text and image content as speech or braille. It's a bridge between the digital world and those with visual impairments, enabling them to navigate, read, and interact with the web. Web accessibility, on the other hand, is the practice of making websites usable by as many people as possible, regardless of their abilities or disabilities. It's about providing equal access and equal opportunity to people with diverse abilities. Now, let's dive into the world of screen readers. There are several types of screen readers, with the most popular ones being JAWS, NVDA, and VoiceOver. Each of these screen readers operates slightly differently, but they all share the common goal of making digital content accessible to all. Screen readers work by interpreting HTML and CSS code. They convert this code into a format that can be read out loud or converted into Braille. This is why it's so important for web developers to write clean semantic code. Without it, screen readers may struggle to interpret the content correctly. JavaScript and dynamic content can pose a particular challenge for screen readers. If content changes after a page is loaded, a screen reader may not be able to detect this change. This is why it's important to use techniques such as ARIA Live regions to notify screen readers of any changes. Designing accessible forms is another critical aspect of web accessibility. Forms should be clearly labeled, instructions should be provided, and errors should be easy to identify and correct. Complex user interface components, such as menus and dialog boxes, also need to be made accessible. This can be achieved by using keyboard-friendly scripts, providing clear focus indicators, and using ARIA roles and properties to convey the purpose and state of each component. Testing for accessibility is a key part of the development process. This can involve manual testing, automated testing, and user testing with people who have disabilities. In conclusion, web accessibility is not just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have. It's about inclusivity, equality, and ensuring that everyone, regardless of their abilities or disabilities, can access and benefit from the digital world. Remember, a website that is accessible to all is a website that is usable by all. So, let's strive to make the web a more accessible place for everyone.